Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. Today's video we are going to learn about mouse hover. So what is mouse hover? I'll show you an example. This is a practice website. This is a practice e-commerce website I'm using. I will add this URL to the description so that you could also refer. When I'm mouse hovering on this my eBay product category, we are able to see the subcategories. So as you can see, I'm just hovering on this. It's just getting highlighted. This is called as mouse hover. We don't have to click on that option. Instead, if we hover, we'll be able to see the subcategories. Similarly for icon. And when I'm hovering over this links, you'll be able to see that the UI is changing. So now we will learn how to automate these hover actions. So let's get back to our test case. I have already created a file mousehover.spec.js. I'm going to write the test. Test name is mousehover test. I'll just remove this auto-generated code. I'm going to write the first step is we have to go to that URL, which is the ebay.com, and I'm inspecting this my eBay product category. While I'm inspecting, we are able to see a link. So I can use the A tag and the href. So this is how the XPath is going to be. Href is equal to yes. So we found the XPath. I'm just going to copy it. Await page dot locator and then dot hover. This is going to be the XPath. Okay, the next step is after hovering this, let's say I wanted to hover over saved searches. Okay, so I'm inspecting this. We are going to use the same XPath with a different link. I'll just copy. Await page dot locator. I'm going to paste the XPath over here. Dot hover. And then await page dot. I'm going to give a timeout here so that you'll be able to see what actually happens. It waits for 2 seconds to observe the hover effect. Okay, Control J. Let's see if this is working. I had made a small mistake. Okay, let's see if this works. I think you were able to see the mouse hover action was performed. Let's do it again, just to confirm. So this is how the mouse hover actions are supposed to be performed. When I hover on the hover option, you'll be able to see several options which we can use. We can use force or modifiers and the position. This will make sense if we look into the Playwright documentation. So this is the hover, and we can use several arguments, like we can give the objects and we can force a boolean. We can also use array, and we can mouse hover according to the position, where we can have to give the x-axis and y-axis number. So friends, I hope you have understood how to perform the mouse hover actions. In my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Until then, keep learning and happy testing. Bye bye.